Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. The Assembly House witnessed the passage of the Town and Country Planning Amendment Bill, which aimed to omit the controversial Section 16B of the 1974 Town and Country Planning Act. However, the proceedings were marked by a degree of commotion, with the united opposition vehemently opposing the bill. Opposition members walked into the well of the House and squatted there to register their protest against passing of this bill without putting it for voting as demanded by opposition benches. MLA Venzi was marshalled out of the House as he continued to protest while various bills were being passed by the House.
Discussing the town planning amendment where they were introducing section 39A and deleting 16B. So I had put my point of view that when you're taking away 69B, which allowed a piecemeal change of planning RPG, which is regional plan of Goa, 39A was introducing the same thing but omitting eco-sensitive zones. So we wanted to make sure that otherwise what is the use of a regional plan? Because every time we can make a change, there is no fixation of a regional plan.
ना ते बेश्टे इश्यू वाडयता आनी दुसरी गोष्ट कितें आसा की एकटो वेगळ्या राजकारणाची इतिहास आमकां पट्टी पळयता बिल जे हाडला 16B गेल्या 4 वर्सां पेंडींग आशिल्ली म्हणून आमकां वाट काडपाची आशिल्ली ते लेजिस्लेचरा कडेन अधिकाराक लेजिस्लेशनच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी करूंक जे सबज्युडिस मॅटर तेचेर आमी चर्चा करूंच शकना. त्याच बरोबर हांवें एक अश्युरन्स दिल्लें आसा हावजान की जे एरियान कितें जाता ज्युडिशियसली एक्सपर्ट कमिटी घालूंक जाय त्या स्थानीक आमदार जो आहा ते स्थानीक आमदाराक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन आनी स्थानीक आमदार मागीर आपल्या लोकांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन त्यो गोष्टी करपाची गरज आहा. वेदर इट इज वेन्झी, वेदर इट इज क्रूज, वेदर इट इज विरेश बोरकर. पण कित्याक केन्ना केन्ना अनरिजनेबल कांय गोष्टी मागतात. पयलीं जें कितें घडलें चुकीचें घडलें म्हणून ते कोर्टान गेले आनी मागीर गव्हर्मेंट एडवोकेटानूच तो स्टे आपल्या कितें तरी प्रोसिजरली खबर ना म्हाका कितें जालां ते फाटल्यो गोश्ट्यो. There is no point looking at the past. One has to see how to go progressively in front. Regional plan has outlived its time, but at the same time, I don't want to say anything on what has happened in the past. How do we move forward? You can move forward with a consultation and consultative process. We cannot move without consulting people. It is important, it is to be done, but also at the same time, all of you are here, members of the media. तुमकां कोणाक दिसना की घर वाडोवपाक जाय काय खंय ऑर्चर्ड आसलें ल्हानशें कोणाचें ल्हान एक आयज केस आयिल्ली 40 स्क्वेअर मिटर 50 स्क्वेअर मिटर 100 स्क्वेअर मिटर 500 स्क्वेअर मिटर ते करून घेवन दिले लोकांक. कितें आहा तें आयज लोक रावता गांवांनी बी लोक रावता. आमी तेच चर्चा आमी करताले की गांवांत जो लोक रावता ते ऑर्चर्ड जे आहा जमीन जे लोकांची ते त्या ऑर्चर्डाक घर मागीर तांकां नंबर गावना तांकां मागीर ते रेग्युलरायज करपाक ते गांवांत कित्याक त्रास जावंक जाय लोकांक हे सगळें करपाक म्हणून एक ऑनगोईंग प्रोसेस म्हणून कोणूय आसूं ते ऑनगोईंग प्रोसेस म्हणून आमकां वेगळ्या तरेन आमकां लेजिस्लेट करून डिबेट करून हाडूंक जाय.
A tragic collision on January 26th on the railway bridge at Sirsai has resulted in the loss of a young life. Sanika Mone, a 19-year-old student, succumbed to her injuries on Monday, February 5th, while undergoing treatment at the Goa Medical College and Hospital.
A 19-year-old pillion rider died following a collision at Sirsai on January 26th. Sanika Mone was travelling with her friend Tejasri Joshi on bike to Picholim from Sirsai. As they approached the railway bridge, their scooter collided with an oncoming car. The impact resulted in Sanika, who was the pillion rider, falling off the bike, sustaining serious injuries. Despite undergoing treatment, she tragically passed away on Monday, February 5th. In response to the accident, the Kulwale police have registered a case of culpable homicide by negligent driving under sections 279, 338, 336 and 304A of the Indian Penal Code against Tejasri Joshi, the two-wheeler rider. Further investigations are underway. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
While the BJP state president Sadanand Chetanaude may have publicly put a lid on the allegations levelled against the art and culture minister of siphoning funds to cultural groups for performances which did not take place, there is a deeper and more serious political fallout raging within the party. In the closed-door meeting between the Chief Minister, Speaker Ramesh Tawadkar, and the centre of the controversy, the Art and Culture Minister Govind Gowde, it was the BJP state president who pushed for disciplinary action against the controversial Govind Gowde. Watch this report.
There is a backstory behind the rivalry and ego battle between to leaders of the tribal community, which has spilled into the open and involves, in addition to the corruption charge, a conversation between Gavde and the head of the Scheduled Tribe and Scheduled Caste Commission of Goa, Dashrath Redkar, where the former is heard openly using filthy language directed at the Chief Minister. Listen to the phone recording.
हॅलो हय तो प्रोग्राम एक सेवा म्हणून NGO आसा फोणे त्याच्या थ्रू तो आमी आमचे गोवा स्टेट SC/ST कमिशन प्रोग्राम करता तो
कोणी तुम्ही SC/ST कमिशन करता
हय आमचो SC/ST कमिशन तो
कितें उद्देश त्या सेवाचो हे
ते सगळे आमचे वेलफेअर स्किमी आमचे हे सांगतले आमचे सगळे इंटरॅक्शन बी आसतले सेशन तितून तो प्रोग्राम सगळो आमचो कमिशनरान हे केला फायनलायज केला
कितें म्हणटा कितें उद्देश कितें काय म्हणटा
कळना सर म्हाका कितें म्हणटा
नाही सेवा म्हणटा ती कसली सेवा तुमी
तो एनजीओ पण तो एनजीओ आमचो प्रोग्राम करता गोवा ST/ST
तुका हांव एक सांगता तुम्ही प्रोग्राम खंय करता तो खबर आसा तुमकां फाल्यां कार्यक्रम जावपाक जायना आनी तुमी थंय येवपाक जायना CMा बीन सांग वचोन पयलो सांग तुका हांव तुमी ते म्हाका लागना रे तुमी गेले सगळे डायरेक्ट सांगता हांव डायरेक्टर अरे माझ्या मतदारसंघात तुम्ही कार्यक्रम करता ST/ST कमिशन थंय सरपंच ना आमदार ना मंत्री ना तुमकां दाखोवपाक जाय राजकारण करपा खातीर तुमकां कार्यक्रम म्हणटा तो थंय जावपाना पयलो सांगता
हांव कमिशनरा कडेन उलयता सर चेअरपर्सना
कार्यक्रम म्हणटा तो तू कमिशनरा कडेन उलय नाल्यार आनी कोणा कडेन उलय आनी सांग रमेश तवडकराक बीन कितें सांगपा तें CMाकू सांग ह्याच शब्दान सांग
सर पण तुम्ही वायट उतरां उलोवपाची ना सर ना वायट उतरां
अरे तू एक डायरेक्टर मरे तू कार्यक्रम करता
सर तो प्रोग्राम चेअरपर्सनान सिलेक्ट केला
माझ्या मतदारसंघात ST/ST कमिशनाचो कार्यक्रम जावपाक जायना
वायट उतरां कित्याक उलोवंक जाय
फाल्यां तुका एक सांगता बोवाळ जातलो हा तुमची तुमची कार्यक्रम तुम्ही म्हागेल्या मतदारसंघात करूनच दाखया
सर तुमची हांव मेसेज चेअरपर्सनाक दिता पूण वायट उतरां कित्याक उलोवंक जाय सर
हय म्हाका एक सांगता अरे तूं एक डायरेक्टर तूं हे मरे अरे तुमकां कळपाक जाय मरे कळपाक जाय मरे तुमकां तुम्ही सगळे हे करता कितें उलोवपाक जाय कितें उलयता तुमी अरे हेजे पयलू तुमी सगळ्यांक बायपास केले आज येदे व्हडले प्रेरणा दिनाक तुमी आमगेले उठाक बायपास केलो हांव वड्डी रावलो
प्रेरणा दिनाक उठाक बायपास केलो कोणी सर
हय गाल पळय मरे नॉट प्रेरणा दिन सॉरी तुगेले SC/ST कमिशनाचो आमी कितें करता तो कार्यक्रम कितें करता जो दोनी उठान जॉईंट करपाक आशिल्लो तो तुमी मायनस केलो नॉट प्रेरणा दिन SC/ST कमिशन तुमी एक कार्यक्रम करता फायंड आउट करा
विद्यार्थी संमेलन
नॉट विद्यार्थी संमेलन नॉट प्रेरणा दिन एक कार्यक्रम केलो तुमी उठाचे जॉईंट हांव ट्रायबल मिनिस्टर आसतना हांव सगळे उठाक घेवन आमी कार्यक्रम करताले तुमी ते मायनस करून उडयले कोणाच्या सांगण्या वयल्यान केलो तुमी हे
खंयचो प्रोग्राम तरी सांगा
राव हांव तुका सांगता राव लक्षान येना हेच सांगता कार्यक्रम म्हणजे तो म्हाज्या मतदारसंघात जावपाक जायना फाल्यां तुमकां पयलूच सांगता कॅन्सल जावपाक जाय आनी ते संस्थेक म्हणटा ते सपोर्ट जावपाक जायना
बरें
कोणा कडेन उलोवपा तें उलय कार्यक्रम जावपाक जायना लक्षान धर
हांव चेअरपर्सना कडेन उलयता सर
उलय चेअरपर्सनाक सांग चेअरपर्सनाक सारकी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दी ऑफिसान येवन कापतलो म्हणून सांग धरून कितें रे तुमी कोणाचे अरे तुमकां मात कळपाक जाय खंयचे कार्यक्रम करता कितें कार्यक्रम करता
बरें सर पळयता
आणि फुडें म्हाज्या मतदारसंघान बीन कितें करता आसतना म्हाका कळपाक जाय पयलू सांगता
बरें
The same recording was played at the closed-door meeting which was held at Chief Minister's bungalow on Monday, and after which Gavde was reportedly told by the BJP state president to resign from the BJP and contest in Priol on any other ticket, if he has guts. Moreover, the issue became more serious because Gavde is heard telling the director of Tribal Welfare Department that he would go to Ramesh Tavarkar's office and slash him. The context of this conversation is as follows. The incident happened on 20th December 2023 on the eve of program organized by the Goa Tribal Welfare Department. An NGO, Socially Engaged Volunteers Association, has sought financial assistance from the Goa Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe to carry out an awareness program in the Priol constituency. Local MLA and Minister Govind Gavde was bypassed and not invited to the function. The function was supposed to be graced by Chief Minister Sawant and Goa Assembly Speaker Ramesh Tavarkar, who also happens to be chairperson of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Commission of Goa. On the eve of function, Minister Gavde called the director Dashrath Redkar and asked him to cancel the program immediately, since he and local Sarpanch was not invited. While the issue was sought to be protected from the public eye, by Tanavde mentioning that the matter has been resolved, the undercurrents of the anger are clear and were born out of Gavde's remark to media, where he said he was getting warmed up for battling. Certainly, the issue is not going to die down anytime soon, even beyond the need for a probe of misusing funds of the Art and Culture Department to fund some cultural groups. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Goa Pradesh Congress Committee officially filed a formal complaint against Mr. Govind Gaude, the Art and Culture Minister of Goa, at the Panjim Police Station. The complaint alleges that Minister Gaude threatened chairperson of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Commission of Goa, Ramesh Tavarkar, to slash him. Watch.
जो व्हिडिओ सगळ्याक व्हायरल जाता आणि एक जबाबदार व्यक्ती जेणे गोयच्या राजकारणात मंत्री म्हणून शपथ घेतल्या त्या वेळाचेर तेणे अशें म्हटलेलें की हांव अमूक अमूक मनीस आणि संविधानाक साक्ष मानून देवाक साक्ष म्हणून शपथ घेता की जे कितें आसा ते निश्ठेन करतलो. पूण आयज ह्या व्हिडिओ वयल्यान कळटा की भाशा कसली वापरल्या त्या मंत्र्यान एका डायरेक्टराचेर अश्लील भाषा आणि अभद्र भाषा वापरून ह्या समाजाक खंय तरी गुंतागुंतीन गुंतपाचो प्रयत्न त्या मंत्र्यान केल्लो आसा. गेल्या फावटी शहाजहान हे प्रकरण तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी पळयलें, गोंयच्या जनतेनूय पळयलें की शहाजहानान कशें ताज महल बांदले. त्या ताज महलान कितके करप्शन जाले, त्यांच्या सभापतीन भायर काढले की करप्शन जाला म्हणून, आनी कितें करप्शन जाला म्हणून. ह्या मुद्द्याचेर खंय तरी पांगरूण घालचे हेच्या खातीर हे षडयंत्र केला काय असो प्रश्न येता. आता दुसरे गजाल सांगूंक सोदता की भारतीय जनता पार्टी ही सदांच षडयंत्र करूनच जे लिडर उबे रावतात तांकां सोंपोवपाचें काम केल्लेलें आसा. होय मुद्दो भितर येता. सो अशा मंत्र्याक आयज सरकारान बसोवन परतून एकदा खंयच्याय ऑफिसराची अशीच लाजीरवाणी अपमान करपाचो का ताका मुभा दितले का तेजेर कारवाई करतले दंडात्मक. होय म्हाजो प्रश्न आसा मुख्यमंत्र्याक. आणि ह्या विशयान मुख्यमंत्र्यान जातीन लक्ष घालचो, कारण जी भाषा वापरल्या ती खरोखरच लांछनास्पद आसा, अभद्र आसा आणि अश्लील आसा. चेअरमॅनाक सुद्धा तेणे सांगले की मारतलो म्हणून, आणि ह्याच भाशेन तू सीएमांक सांग आणि तुझ्या सभापतीक सांग म्हणून त्या धमकी दिता पळय. ह्या सगळ्या वयल्यान अशें दिसता की विनाशकाले विपरीत बुद्धी, जेन्ना माणसाक अहंकार जाता तेन्ना कसली उतरां भायर सरता.
A pioneering initiative e-Beat book developed by students of the Goa Engineering College in collaboration with the Goa Police was officially launched by the Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. The launch ceremony took place at the Chief Minister's residence in Altino with the esteemed presence of the Director General of Police of Goa. The e-Beat book is an innovative digital solution aimed at streamlining police patrolling and reporting processes, making them more efficient and responsive. Watch.
सरकारान गोवा इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेज हांच्या बरोबर मेळून ई-बीट बुक मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टम आज नवीन लॉन्च करता. ताचे बरोबर ह्या कार्यक्रमात आमचे गोवा पुलीस DGP जशपाल सिंग आसा, ओमवीर सिंग आसा, इवन विथ नितीन वाल्सन SP नॉर्थ ज्याने ही इनिशिएटिव्ह घेतली. आमच्या कॉलेजीचे प्रिन्सिपल कृपाशंकरजी, परत आमचो निलेश, प्रज्योत आणि रेवती फ्रॉम GL, आणि सगळे स्टुडंट्स जी गोवा इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेजचे ज्यांच्यानी इनिशिएटिव्ह घेऊन ई बीट बुक मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टम जी तयार केली हांव खरोखरूच सगळ्यात पयली त्यांची एंटायर टीम ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स हांचे खूब अभिनंदन करता, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता तांकां. दिस इज वन गुड इनिशिएटिव्स ऑफ अकाडेमिया आनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इनिशिएटिव्स. हांवें पयलीं म्हटलेलें की एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनान जेन्ना अकाडेमिया एकत्र येतले तेन्ना वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीचे इन्व्हेन्शन्स जावपाक सुरवात जातली. Nidhi Walson have taken the initiatives. He has contacted the GEC college and he has taken the competition for this type of initiatives. आणि IT जगातले आम्ही जगा म्हणटा की तांकांय स्कोप मेळटा की रिसर्च शिकता आसतनाच रिसर्च करपाक आणि तेंच्यांनी ई बीट बुक मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टम जो तयार केलो हातूंतल्यान वेब डॅशबोर्ड, मोबायल ॲप, एडमिन पॅनल ह्या सगळ्या बरोबर जेका आमी स्मार्ट पुलिसिंगची गरज आशिल्ली ते स्मार्ट पुलिसिंग गोंयांत आयच्याच सुरवात जातलें. आनी ताजे फ्युचर्स तांच्यांनी तुमकां एक्सप्लेन केलें. इट इज अ युजर फ्रेंडली, सेक्युअर. इट इज इवन दो इट इज यूज on the OTP based login, it is a work offline, it is an office tracker, it is an in app map visuals, it is a record maintaining, it is a filter and search, it is a GPS based visits, it is a work accountability, it is a daily work login, profile summary, it is a serve paperless code orders and GPS based. Yes, सगळे इतके फ्युचर्स त्या बीट सिस्टमात असल्या कारणान म्हाका दिसता इन फ्युचर आमकां कोणूच म्हणजे आमी बरेचशे फावटी हांव अशें म्हणना की पुलिसांक इट इज इजी फॉर वर्कींग. हो प्रोसेस जातलो इजी फॉर मेंटेनिंग द रिकॉर्ड आनी इजी फॉर द सर्च इन फ्युचर. जेन्ना जेन्ना आपले रिकॉर्ड सर्च करचे पडटा तेन्ना ह्यो सगळ्यो स्मार्ट पुलिसां खातीर गजाली ह्यो सगळ्यो युजफूल जातल्यो.
In a recent speech delivered in Goa, Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighted several ambitious schemes. However, the effectiveness of these schemes in reaching the intended beneficiaries is now under scrutiny. In this edition of the Street Voices, Team Herald spoke to several people to know their opinion on whether they believe that all the schemes that PM Modi mentioned in his speech in Goa are reaching the beneficiaries.
स्कीम न्ही हांवें हें काडलें, हांवें तें केलां अशें भक्के मारपाक न्हू खूब आहा. पूण जेन्ना तूं तेजे ते भक्के आस कितें आयकलां बाय तारान अमकें काडलां आनी ताराचे NGO कडसून अशें मेळटलें वचोन जर पळय थंयसर कांय आसना. ते ऑफिसर पळय आसा गव्हर्मेंट डायरेक्टर बी आमचे कडेन सर्कुलरच पावंक ना म्हणटा. अरे घर घर जल म्हणटा. आजून लोक पयशे घेवन रस्त्यारूच देंवता, लोक रस्त्यारूच आसा. एक स्कीम म्हणटा ती गोवा गव्हर्मेंट कांयच करिना. खंय तरी आतां तो तेणें सांगून गेले लाखांनी हांगा लोकांक घर दिली. अरे लोक खंयसर तुमी लाखांनी घर दिले? अशी खंय घरां आसा ती लाखांनी दिले? हावजींग बोर्डाची खूब पयलींची घरां ती तुमी दाखयता. ती कोणें बांदल्या, केन्ना बांदल्या? तुज्यो स्किमी न्हू ह्यो. पळय प्रायम मिनिस्टर कितें येवन बकट मारून गेला पळय तेजेर लोकांनी खरें म्हणून जाल्यार विस्वास धरप ना. तेणें आमकां एकूच आतां तो गोंयांत येयल्लो इतलो सगळो खर्च केलो, इतले सगळे केले. ही स्किमी हाडल्या, त्यो स्किमी हाडल्या, त्यो स्किमी हाड. प्रत्यक्ष स्कीम हाडल्या कितें? आमकां एक म्हादईचें उदक, तें उदक दिवपाक, तें बी देवान दिल्लें उदक, ताका सुद्दां DPR घालून कर्नाटकाक दिवपाक लागून चिंतलें तेणें. ती जर आपूण हांगा येयल्या उपरांत तेणें जर रद्द केल्लें जाल्यार आमी म्हणूंक शकताले घर घर जल आमकां उदक मेळ्ळें म्हणून. आतां झरे सुकोवंक लागले, डिसेंबरा पासूनच झरे सुकोवंक लागले. वो ओपन घेवया आमी, बाकीचे स्किमीचे पाड पडो. घर घर जलाचे जर तुम्ही घेतले जाल्यार तुम्ही चिंता आज आमची म्हादई आमच्या वटेन नासतना ती कर्नाटकाक चड व्हांवता आनी आमचे हांगासर डिसेंबरान झरे सुकता. जे मे म्हयन्यान सुकपाचे झरे ते डिसेंबरान सुकता. खंय उरले तुमचे घर घर जल?
The question that is being posed is whether the various schemes the Prime Minister yesterday announced are reaching the people who really deserve it. Now this, I think, is an open secret that there are many people who are not entitled as per the regulations about their monthly income. Considering all this, what is seen that the needy are struggling to get it, and many don't get it. And the ghost people who don't deserve it. In fact, sometimes back it was made open that even government servants' wives are getting the scheme where they don't fall under that category. And government seems to have done nothing about it. Now, let us talk about schemes. Let us see the Manrega workers. Forget of other states. In Goa itself, the opposition leader has charged that over 8,000 people who have worked, it's not free, have not paid their dues. We are only talking, the Prime Minister comes, the Chief Minister comes and just gives big talks that these are the schemes. This is the duty of this government to see that the needy get it, and those who don't deserve it and who do not fall within the rules and regulations are taken, strict action is taken against them, so that nobody ventures to try and cheat the government.
KTC drivers and employees of ITUC staged a protest demonstration at Azad Maidan in Panjim, advocating for the fulfillment of their pending demands. The protesters emphasized two primary demands during the protest: an increase in their monthly payment to a minimum of 30,000 and the prompt signing of the 7th Pay Commission agreement with the union.
KTC drivers and employees of All India Trade Union Congress (ITUC) on Wednesday said that they will continue to hold the protest at Azad Maidan in Panjim till government fulfills their pending demands. Protesters also stressed that the 7th Pay Commission was implemented but not signed with workers.
काय प्रमुख मागण्यो घेवन आम्ही आझाद मैदानाचेर हो इनडेफिनेट एजिटेशन चालू केल्लें आसा आनी तेजी प्रमुख कारणां म्हटल्यार फाटली 2 वर्सां जालीं आमी कंटिन्युअसली सरकारा कडेन आमच्यो मागण्यो दवरता. संपाची नोटीस दिल्ली 1 वर्सा फाटीं आनी त्या नोटीसी दिल्या उपरांत गोंयचो लेबर कमिशनरान मिटींग आपयल्ली. त्या मिटींगेन कदंबाचे मॅनेजमेंट, युनियनाचे पदाधिकारी हांचो समेट जावन एक अंडरस्टँडिंग जाल्लें, एक अग्रीमेंट जाल्लो की जे डिमांड आसा ते 7 पेजो एरियर्स जो आमचो उरला 34 मंथ्साचो तो आमकां पे करपाक जाय. एग्रीमेंट युनियना बरोबर सायन करूंक ना. मॅनेजमेंटान अजूनही जरी इम्प्लिमेंट केला 7 पेचो कमिशन तरी एग्रीमेंट करूंक ना. कित्याक सरकार बरो हुशार आसा. तांकां खबर आसा की जर तर एग्रीमेंट सायन मारलो जाल्यार एरियर्स हे कामगारांक चुकूंक ना. सो आतां तांच्यांनी इम्प्लिमेंट केला 7 पे पूण एरियर्स दिवंक ना. सो वी आर ओपोजिंग दॅट. आमचो प्रमुख मागणी आसा की 7 पेचो एग्रीमेंट युनियना बरोबर सायन जावपाक जाय आनी 34 म्हयन्याची जी वेतन थकबाकी आसा ती आमकां ताबडतोब मेळपाक जाय. आमची दुसरी मागणी आसा की जे कदंबाचे बदली ड्रायव्हर्स आनी कंडक्टर्स ज्यांच्यांनी 2 वर्सां वयर काम केल्लें आसा तांकां सगळ्यांक फिक्स करपाक जाय आनी तांचो पगार जो सध्या 18,000 तांकां मेळटा तो वाडोवन तांकां 30,000 रुपया पगार करपाक जाय. कित्याक हे ड्रायव्हर आनी कंडक्टर्स हे सगळी शेड्युलां कदंबाची जी आसा ती सक्सेसफुली ऑपरेट करता आनी परमनंट कामगारां मदीं आनी तेंच्या मदीं कांय मतभेद ना काम पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार. सो तांकां इक्वल पे इक्वल वेजीस ह्या प्रिंसिपलाचेर, समान काम समान वेतन ह्या प्रिंसिपलाचेर तांकां 30,000 कमीत कमी पगार मेळपाक जाय ही आमची दुसरी मागणी आसा.
उपेंद्र नायक, फैराल टीवी.
The Vasco Carnival Committee convened to discuss arrangements for the upcoming Carnival parade, focusing on ensuring its seamless execution. During the meeting, the committee emphasized the importance of traffic management and made specific requests to the traffic cell and police department regarding vehicle regulations.
With the aim of boosting tourism in Goa, a 4-day carnival event will be held at 4 different venues. The main theme of the carnival revolves around showcasing the raw talent of local boys and girls on stage. Organizers anticipate an attendance of 15,000 visitors. This marks the first time the carnival will be hosted in Kandolim and Agwa the helipad at Sikeri.
Village Panchayat of Kandolim, along with Mr. Greg Furtado and his entire team, Department of Tourism, and our Minister Rohan Khonte, who immediately when this plan was placed before him, he immediately said yes, go ahead, to bring in good tourists in North Goa coastal belt, especially in Kandolim, Kalangut, Baga, Shinkerin. This is the belt where a lot of tourists have gone down. The inflow of the good tourists have gone down. So to bring in good tourists in this coastal belt, we are organizing a 4 days carnival event. And this will definitely give a boost to for the tourism in Goa. No doubt, all 4 days tourism is organizing carnival floats at 4 different locations in Goa: Panjim, Mapsa, Margao, Vasco, all over. Plus, there are so many coastal belt panchayats who organize their own floats. The main theme of our carnival is to bring the local boys and girls, that is young talent, on the stage. And we are going to take entries of young boys and girls right from a very young age, right from 5 and above.
Yeah, any artist
who has got talent and they want to showcase their talent. We are expecting around 15,000 crowd to come for this carnival festival. We want this to be a great success. This is the first time Kandolim and Agwad helipad, that is in Shinkerin, the carnival festival is being organized. We remember those old days when Bakhadi blast used to happen over there. And that time crowd used to be around 5,000 people in those years. So we are expecting same crowd to come in. Wigfield from Italy is being specially flown down for this big event, and Goans, Indians and all foreigners who are here in Goa at that particular time, we request them to come on 13th. That is the last day of the carnival. We want everyone to come for all the 4 days, but last day is this big name which will be playing at this event.
Girdoli Club clinched a spot in the quarterfinals of the Wildred Leisure Trophy after defeating Kongoli Union with a convincing 4-0 victory. The match took place at the DSY ground on Tuesday as part of the tournament organized by the Wildred Leisure Sports Club.
Girdolium Club dominated the game with 2 goals scored by Braven Dias and Sheldon Peshito and Selvaraj da Costa securing each goal in the 38th, 48th, 53rd and 55th minute respectively. Braven Dias of Girdolium Club was awarded the Man of the Match award for his outstanding performance. Inacio for Herald TV.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on O Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.